2, 3. One more. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Blow the candle. There you go. A one happy birthday, Andy. Happy birthday, Andy. One more time. A one big happy birthday, Andy. Happy birthday, Andy. There you go. A big round of applause for Andy.
Happy birthday, my love.
Diba, iyak ko nila yung ninang.
Happy birthday, baby. Know that we're always here for you no matter what happen, okay? Ninang Risha is always there for you and mommy and daddy and Ate Richie. And Ninong EJ too. Happy birthday, and I wish you more birthdays to come, and basta love ka namin. Love you.
Happy birthday for baby Andy. We wish you all the best. We're looking forward that someday you have a good love and respect, most especially for your both parents. Once again, happy birthday to you, baby. We love you always.
Birthday. I know you will grow as how your parents will make you a better person soon, and I will not make a promise, but if you need if you need anything, magkapit-bahay lang tayo, anak. So just come and visit me there. I'm always there for you. And whatever you need. Oh, inatok na siya. Hindi siya naniwala sa akin. I love you, and you're my first inaanak here in Canada. So napaka-special na sa akin.
Hello, Andy. Happy birthday. It's a privilege that your parents choose me as one of your godmothers. So, as a godmother, I know you're a second parent to the baby. So, just like what others said, if you need anything, and even if your mom, if you need anything, I'm here. And I hope you grow up to be a fun-loving girl and just to enjoy life and be loving to your sister and to your parents. Happy birthday. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you. Thank you.
Happy birthday. Wishing you more birthdays to come. And we're here, always support you and always take care of you, okay? So, always have a good health and always pretty. Thank you.
Hi, Andy. So, I don't have a daughter. I want a serious one. And yeah, happy birthday. That's all.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Big round of applause for them.
Hi, Andy. Happy first birthday. Hello. I'm fine. Whenever you need me, the Dina always be here. As long as your dad will let me know, I'll always be here. And your mom, may you have a very lovely memories and future ahead. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Andy. And in behalf of your Calgary family, AKP family, we love you. Okay?
Thank you very much.
To our inaanak, Auntie, thank you for inviting us. Ninang and Ninong loves you. May the Lord always bless you.
sabihin ko lang, mahal ka namin. Yun lang. Thank you sa pag-invite. Oh, tahana. Mahal ka namin.
Hi Andy, happy first birthday Andy. You are so loved and treasured by everyone around you. Your mama and papa adore you more than words can express. And today, extra special because your grandparents flew all the way from the Philippines to celebrate your birthday with you. You bring so much joy and love to everyone's life. And we are all so grateful to watch you grow. Wishing you a lifetime filled with laughter and happiness. You are such a blessing. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. What do we do? Well, I wish you all the luck in life. And your parents do, because you've got a good family. And look after you really well. And you will too. Love you.
Kita, when you go older, I'll get older, sorry. And yeah, same as I'm having your dad as like protect his back, then I will protect yours too. Happy birthday ulit, baby. Thank you.
Ayan.
Wish for more good health and more blessings and happy life.
Well, I wish baby Andy the very best of life, and you're so lucky you have a good mom and dad. Yes, you do have a good mommy and daddy, and you have a good baby sister. I wish you all the best, and I wish you all the luck in life.
Hey, baby Andy, I wish you all the best in your life, and as a being a ninang, I'm always here for you whenever you need me, and I hope you grow kind and loving for everyone. I love you, baby Andy. Happy birthday again.
Sheila, thank you sa invitation. Andy, happy birthday sa'yo. And nag-i-enjoy siya rin sa food niya. Oh. Ang galing. My wish for you is happiness and love and good health. And you're lucky for having your dad around, and also your mom, and also your sister, and all your godparents and grandparents, and the friends of your parents, and also the brothers of the AKP family. You are lucky to have them. Happy birthday.
Come on, say something.
Hi, baby. Naiyak naman po. I love you so much, baby. Whatever happens, dito lang kami para sa'yo. We'll support you all the way. Nung nagbubuntis po ako, lumabas siya ng early. Tapos ang dami ng komplikasyon. Pero ngayon, look at her. She's healthy. Lagi lang kami talaga nag-pray na sana maging okay siya. Tapos pabalik-balik kami sa Calgary. Kasi may butas ang puso niya. Yung hearing niya is hindi siya nakakarinig sa left ear niya. May thyroid siya. Pero ngayon lahat yun naging clear na. Kaya happy kami na healthy siya ngayon. Pero still, kami na pag-usapan namin ni Randy, kahit na ano pa ang diagnose sa kanya, we just realized that we can't live without her.
yun talaga, hindi ko ma-imagine yung buhay ko nang wala siya. Dahil siyang nagbigay sa amin talaga ng happiness, pati kay Ricky. Happy birthday, baby.
Good.